Siddharth Malhotra moved to Mumbai at the age of 21. He had a dream of becoming an actor, but he had no association with the industry. He started his career as a model and then as an assistant director. And finally, he got the break with the movie Student of the Year. Building his career in Bollywood was not at all easy for him. He stayed alone in the city of dreams. Well, on the occasion of Father's Day, the actor connected with a New York-based organization, We the Planet. This organization actually connected with self-made personalities from different fields to help society and humanity. The actor has been noted saying, "Whenever I think back of my family, I don't know if they consciously made an effort or something that inherently happened. But there are so many qualities, aspects of family life or culture within me, which stem from my mother and from my father." He even talked about his family and the way they supported him. In this context, he has been noted saying, "I remember when I came to Bombay, I was 21 and staying here by myself. I really started appreciating my joint family that I grew up in. So many people around. I remember on the phone speaking to my parents. I would say, why don't we have the habit of ending the call with love you mom, love you dad? We at our Punjabi household never had a culture like this because none of us ever ventured out and stayed away that far. And I remember one day sitting down with my dad, telling him that whenever we say goodbye, you are supposed to say goodbye by saying you love me and dad. Being the dad, he was like, yeah, of course, I love you." He took a beat and it was funny. At the same time, you can imagine so many fathers, especially of a grown-up child, a 21-year-old staying in a different city and asking their father to please tell love me before ending a call. I realized when I came to Bombay to become an actor, it wasn't easy, and I felt the only thing you fall back on is what your parents have taught you, starting from your dad, and you want to feel that love again. And that's why I think Father's Day is an important day, and I wish all fathers felt loved on this special day by their kids. Well, that's really very sweet, isn't it? For more such updates, stay tuned to Sharmila Show House Bollywood.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Barun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So
all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.